Hello, students. Good morning to all of you. Next topic, Roman numeral of chapter 1. I hope remaining exercise you completed. So next topic is Roman numerals. We have been using the Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. This is not only the system of numeration available in ancient times. There were several systems of numeration. One such system was system of Roman numerals. This system is still used in many places. You observing here means what is the use of Roman numerals? We use the different system, Roman numeral, Hindu, Arabic, international system, and in many other languages like as Urdu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada. So we write the counting. So what is the use of Roman numerals? You observing this? Use the watch. Many types of watches you observe. Wall clock and hand clock. There is the use of numerals, numbers. So observe this table here. Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. In Hindu Arabic numerals, you observe the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 digits are there given. But here is the only 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And these are called the symbol in the numeral numbers. So here I represent 1 and V represent 5, X represent 10, L represent 50, C represent 100, D represent 500, M represent 1000. There is some rules how to write the Hindu Arabic numerals in Roman numerals and Roman numerals in Hindu Arabic numerals. So first of all, you check it what. So write the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Check it. 1 for I, 2 for double I, 3 for triple I, and here for the 4. So first we write the 5 V, and then 5, 4 is 1 less from 5. So we subtract I from V. Here VI, here V double I, here V triple I, here 9, here 10. So you are observing these numbers. So other numbers you observe here 10 for 10. Here 20, we write X and X. 30, X, X, X. 40. So don't write 4 times X because X is not repeated more than 3 times. And I is not repeated more than 3 times. Any letters do not repeat it more than 3 times. So how we write? We use the L, 50 and subtract 10. When we write the smaller value numbers to the greater value numbers on the left side, we subtracted it. L is greater than X, L is 50, X is 10. So 10 subtracted from 50, we get the 40. And 50, you already know, that is the L. 60, how you write? L, X, and 70, L, X, X. You can Observe these lines. And 80, how we write? 80, here 80 is equal to L, X, X, X. That is a 80. But 90, not repeated 4 times. So we write 90. How it is? 90, X, C. C for 100 and subtract 10 from C. So, and so on. You write them. Here, some rules for writing the Roman numerals. You observing if you have a book. So please check or download the book from your website. So there is the rules. First rules. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times is repeated. Here, X, X, X repeated 3 times. Okay. But no symbol repeated more than 3 times. And VLD are not repeated. VLD not repeated and remaining repeated. VLD not repeated. Suppose I want 300. So 300 we write C, C, C 3 times. That is 300. Rule number 2. When a symbol is written to the right of the symbol of greater value, its value is added to the value of the greater value of symbol. Here, X, X, X. It is written right side of the greater value L. So we added them. L means 50, X 10, 10, 10, 30, 50, 80. And rule 3rd. When a symbol is written to the left, we subtracted it. Here, I written to the left of V. V is 5, I is 1. So 1 is subtracted from 5. So I hope you understand it. Example 1. How to write Hindu Arabic numerals in Roman? 73. So 70, how we write 70? 70 plus 3. So 70 also separated in 2 times, 50 plus 20. So 50 L 20 XX plus 3. That is LXX triple I. DCXV. Write in Hindu Arabic system. D for 500, C for 100, X for 10, and V for 5. And then we add them. 500, 100, 600, 10, 50. That is 615. So I hope you can write them and like use of M. 2563. So we can write M, 1000, double M 2000, 500, D 63, L, X, I. That is 2563. So now, your homework, write 1 to 100 countings. How much? 1 to 100. And do the exercise 1.9. I show you. Note these symbols. No symbol is repeated more than 3 times. VLD are not repeated. Rule number 2. When a symbol is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value is added to the value of the greater value symbol. Cautions. I can be placed on the left of V and X only. X can be placed on the left of L, C, M only. None of the V, L, D is placed on the left of any symbols. So observe this table also given there and be careful. Some examples also given. So you can watch the examples here. Write the Roman numeral for one example, example 2, example 3. And now there is an exercise 1.9. So exercise is very easy. So you complete it and later on do the question of chapter checkup. There is a pause the video and take the screenshot or download the book from your website portal and solve the questions. So there is a question 15, 16. If you have any problems, then you ask me. MCQs questions also given there. So there are 5 MCQs questions. Okay. Now, we solve the exercise 1.9. Question number 1. Write Roman numeral for (31 to 39). This is the A part. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 30. X, 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 and 1. That is 31. And X, 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 double I. And you can write, so 30 is repeated same as, and write 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And in place of these places, you write the 30 here. What we write here? 30. So I hope you solve this question. Write the Roman numeral for the given number. Question number 2. 11, 23, 40, 56, 67, 88, 92, 99. Question number 2. How to write 99 in Roman? That is 90 plus 9. So 90, how we write? CX. And how we write the 9? IX. So now write is XCIX. This is the 99. And question number 3. Write the Roman numerals for the given. So this is the H part. And question number 3. F part 88. How we write? 800 plus 80 plus 8. 800 how we write? 500 plus 300. How you write 80? 50 plus 30. And how you write 8? That is 5 plus 3. We break them in Roman numerals value. So D, C, L, X, 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 V, I. So this is the 888. The question number 4. First, write Hindu Arabic numeral for the numbers X, X, I, X. So X, here 20 and 9. That is, so how we write them? 10 plus 10 plus 9 is equal to 29, and so on. So in this way, exercise 1.9 is completed. Now your home assignment chapter quick review exercise already given. So solve all the question 1 to 20 and then complete this chapter 1. In next video, we will start the next chapter, that is whole numbers.